ka samla Aishwariya Malang na kli yung riang jowai kan suyo ban Mihkhmat ka jela ha kamis tin Diva Pageant kabalong katong ha kajingim kajongka abakren chikelat patai kubor ha shilong press club ka Aishwariya kalaong ba kajing kershan parkijing aimen sim kikmi kikpa kala penlong yaka bakanang slur shushu ban rung sya kani kakam yakop tei babrio kala itu ban nengkong kadon kajing artin ban rung sya kani kajing yakop Rai kikmi kikpa kala penslur yaka bakan le bet yak ei ke baka kwa bat pentikna bakin kershan yaka kala ongro bagi jing simbenta ha bundeli kijing yakap kala nang penslur bat penskam yaka bakan nang penbha yak jing long jongka banang penslur ha bayeng ha kirensan kala ong bagi jing siampang jongka kala no senyang sibun ha kijingim jongka shimet bat ha kakam.
Good afternoon. First of all, on behalf of our family, we thank you for each media who are present here. We are very grateful for you for being here and for being here regarding Aishwariya Pageant. First of all, I am Aishwariya's uncle, and I think it would be nice if we had a little bit of introduction from her side, hear about her journey a little bit. So ask Aishwariya to introduce herself.
My name is Aishwariya Malang, and I'm a finalist of Miss Teen Diva, and I've been selected to represent Meghalaya in the national stage. I'm from Joai, Kleomrian. The locality name is Kleomrian. The competition will be held on July from the 18th till the 19th, and
Okay, you tell us your journey. When did you start?
Fashion shows, modeling, and after that I started competing in pageants when I was 14 years old, which is the Miss Joy Teenager pageant, and later I started joining the Miss Jaipur Queen in 2024 when I was 16 years old, and now currently I'm preparing for the Miss Teen Diva pageant, which is the national pageant.
When is
it will be held in Jaipur from the 11th to the 19th, and the finale is going to be on the 19th. I faced many setbacks, but with the support from my families and my academic pressures, I had to stop pageantries for a while when I was in class 11 and 12. I completely stopped competing in pageants, and also for my while I was preparing for my NEET examinations. I was in Chennai back then. I stopped competing in pageants, and then I pursued to continue to chase my dreams as I want to become a doctor. Thank you. First time that I'm going to compete in pageant.
How confident are you that you got at this time?
I'm fine. I'm ready to compete because I've prepared. I've worked really hard for this pageant. I've worked like a month. I've been preparing for a whole month. I've been practicing and then checking up on everything. Mentor, she's Irene ma'am. I go to training.
What are your expectations?
I think I would really want to win. I would really want to make our state, Meghalaya, proud. Most probably would be 39 of us from different states. The finale, I think three rounds would be there. And before that, we will have the prelims, we'll have the shoots, galas, dinners, and so much more. So, my designer, which is Comrade Polite, he was like, I think you should start modeling. So then I started working for him as in like ramp walk shows and all those stuffs. And then later, from somewhere, some message came that there's this pageant, like the first pageant in July, that is the Miss Joy Teenager pageant. And then my parents were like, yeah, go for it, we will support you, do anything that you like, we will support you. So then after that, I started competing in pageants, and then I started learning that I can do this, I'm ready for it. I can go for a national stage as well, so here I am today. This press conference is that I want your support. Kwa ay gijiker chan kiyong sir, manupoy por bo vote lene ka te ami por jingem kan kiyong I kwa ay gijiker chan kiyong sir tagnet aw to in opinion. Ngakwa kan believe in yourself that go for it. As long as you have Meghalaya hi barok away. Tengah ko apa pinailang yang ay support ki jok. Kin support pa yang hakad like anything that I want to do. Tamba ki ong pa focus on your career as well. Namar pa later in the future, ngam tamo na kanye like I have to have a successful career. Ki ong ba do what you love. Tamba like let pa your career go chase your dream.